Are you new to couponing or want to get started with couponing? Don't know where to start because you keep hearing all these things about store apps, rebate apps, digital paper coupons, or even if you're just a seasonal couponer, but you want to incorporate some of these other type of apps into your couponing, this may be a good video for you to watch. Most of my experience with store couponing or apps will be Walmart and Dollar General. I live in rural Arkansas, and a lot of the others just aren't options for me. So, store apps, they are just that. They are apps that belong to the store they've created. The quickest way to know if where you're shopping has one is to go to your app store. For me, I have Android phone. It's the Play Store. Sorry, I don't know what Apple people have, but the Apple version of a Play Store and just type in the store's name to see if they have an app. Um, and then from there, from what I've seen, they all pretty work similarly. Like you have coupons, you hit the little plus or the check to activate or clip it. Then when you go in the store, you put in your phone number, and if you have products matching the coupons, they come off. Now there are some more nuances within each store, and if you want me to go more detailed into a store, well, it's really only going to be two options, or really one, Dollar General, I can do that. But that gets you started on where can I find my store apps. One of the biggest one a lot of people use is Ibotta. Ibotta is a rebate app. One of the things I like about Ibotta is that you can get your money sent to PayPal or your bank account, and they usually do it pretty quick. Obviously, if you use your bank account, then it takes 1 or 2 business days to process because it is ACH. But how Ibotta works is that you go into a store, you purchase an product or item, you take that receipt, you upload it to Ibotta. If you have matching offers, you get those funds back into your Ibotta account and you can withdraw them. Now, they do have other options, like you can buy gift cards, but if I use cash buy a product, I want cash back. But there are gift card options. One of the big selling points with Ibotta is that they do bonuses. So, like if the weekend comes, it'll say something like 18 offers will give you $5, 18 unique offers. And this is going to vary by account on how much you use it, will depend on how many offers you have to get and and the funds you'll get back for hitting the bonus. But that's one of the things I like about Ibotta. These come usually a couple times a week. You get like a weekend one, a midweek one, and sometimes if there's something going on, you'll get two that overlap. So you can do one unique offer and it'll count for more than one bonus. Shopmium. Shopmium is relatively new, um, but it works the same as Ibotta. You go into a store, you purchase a product, and then you submit your receipt to Shopmium. Now, there are some nuances within Shopmium. How it's supposed to work is that you're only supposed to get money back for items you don't use a coupon on. But if you do it at Dollar General self checkout or a new system store register, like with a person, it will glitch and you can use the DG store coupon come off as well as get money back using Shopmium. Generally, when I upload my receipts, I usually get funds back either immediately or within 5 to 10 minutes. Now, sometimes it has taken a few days, but that's the exception. Doesn't happen often. And you also get your money back either via PayPal or Venmo. I believe those are the only two options. And this is actually an app on your phone. Alexa. Alexa is think of Alexa as Shopmium, but you don't get cash back. Like generally the same offers on Shopmium or on Alexa, but when you get your money back, it will go to your Amazon account as Amazon Cash, and you can only use it on Amazon. I don't like that. But sometimes, like I said, I shop on Amazon a lot. So if it's a product that I really want, then I will go ahead and do this. But it works the same as how Shopmium is supposed to work. You upload items for which you have not used a coupon for, you submit them, Alexa will process your receipt, give you Amazon Cash. I haven't used this in a while, but the last time I used it, it took a day or so for me to get my Amazon Cash. So if you're wanting to use it immediately, may not be an option for you, or if you don't mind waiting, maybe it is. Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and My Points are owned by the same company, and they work the same as like the others, where you purchase a product not using a coupon, you upload it to one of these. Like you can't upload the same receipt to all three of these because they are owned by the same company. They talk to each other, and they um, will reject your receipt for two of them if you try to upload that same receipt to all three. But this also has the same glitch thing that ShopMium has, where if you're at a Dollar General on a self checkout or new system register, you can also get the manufacturer's coupon from Dollar General and submit it to one of these, and it will glitch and give you those funds again. These have usually it's 100 swag bucks equal a dollar. Inbox dollars gives the value to you in dollar cents. My points works a little bit different, and I think theirs come out to the points equal a little bit more than a dollar. But generally, that's how it works. But they have gift cards. You can do Amazon gift cards, or you can get your funds sent back to PayPal. However, if you choose the PayPal route, you will get your money, but it will take 2 to 3 days. And I have had it taken up to a week. So this isn't an immediate cashback type of thing. But I do like it and I use it often. A lot of times, what I will do is I will use either Walmart receipt, trying to find the same offer that's on Walmart, Ibotta, Shamium, and one of these, and submit it to all of them. Or same thing with DG and a self checkout or new register, get the DG coupon, submit to ShopMe in one of these as well. So it does glitch and work that way too. Shopkick. They don't have as many offers, but with Shopkick, you have to make sure that you have the right store and the right store address. They have usually, it kind of depends. Sometimes some stores will have like five or six, others may have 20. Um, but offers vary from store to store, and 250 shop kicks equal a dollar. And it works on the same premise as the others, that you have not used a coupon for the item that you purchase. But if you purchase an item at the store and it's on these apps, you can submit that receipt to each of these, with the exception of Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and My Points. So for me, fetch is kind of hit or miss. It used to be 1,000 fetch points worked out to a dollar. It's not quite that. It's a little bit less. And one of the things I don't like about fetch is that it processes the receipts immediately. However, um, it does take 3 days for you to get your funds on however you chose your cash out option to be. And PayPal is not one of them, but you can get a Visa card to use. And then, you just go to little things like myprepaidcard.com or something. They give you all the information and you can spend it like a regular card. But they can all use gift cards and Amazon as the way to cash out on this. And you just have to check the offers on these. Yeah, I use it sometimes, but to me, where Fetch really shines is that you can submit any receipt to Fetch and get 25 fetch points. So I have it connected to my email and my Amazon account. And once a week, I go in it and refresh. And for every receipt it finds, it gives me 25 fetch points. Is it a lot? No. Does it add up over time? Yes. Does it require ongoing maintenance? Other than me setting up that one time with connecting the two accounts and once a week, and I guess you could do it once a month because I think it has to be within 30 days. Um, yeah, that's all you have to do, and it's basically nothing for you to do as you set it up. Checkout 51. I don't really use this one a lot because you can only get your money back out of here via PayPal. only if you have a $20 balance. And it has taken me sometimes 4 to 6 months to accumulate that $20, uh, just because the products usually are expensive, or they have a lot of limits on their coupons, and I don't get to the store quick enough. So I have used this in the past. Other than a $20 limit, I like it, but I don't really use it that often. But if you don't mind, I guess maybe cashing out every 6 months or every year, then this is an option, and it works same as the others. You submit a receipt for an item that you have not used a coupon on, or thinks you haven't used a coupon on, and then if it accepts it, you get your money back into your account. And then once you're at $20, you can request a withdrawal. These are honorable mentions. I've used these once or twice. It really don't work with how I coupon. Receipt Hog, Receipt Pal, Brand Club. P&G has a rebate, but it's really crappy. Yeah, I would bypass it. But if you want my take on it, I can give a little bit more. But these are also options for places you can submit your receipt to and get points back. Now, I feel like a dinosaur in the couponing world, because I still use paper coupons. A couple years ago, they used to be so much better, but they are still around, and from time to time, they do have good ones. Where can you get coupons? Your Sunday paper, brand website will have printables. Coupons.com generally has the same coupons you see on ShopMeum, but you can just print them out and take the paper versions to the store. If you want to do a deal more than once, but you've already used your ShopMeum rebates, then you can print out the same coupon or a similar one on coupons.com. And then there are also coupon fairies. Basically, a coupon fairy is somebody that sells coupons. You can do a quick Google search and find you one, but they'll mail them out to you if you just want one particular coupon and don't want to buy a bunch of papers. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, let me know.